Hello everyone, this is Vincent Martone here at MarineMax in Clearwater, and today I'm going to do a quick walkthrough of our fresh trade. It's a 2020 Boston Whaler 285 Conquest. Just came in this week. Nice big live well in the back. Get your port side seat right here with your transom seat. This one's been outfitted with FLIR, which is your forward-looking infrared cameras for night vision. Big 16-inch Raymarine, joystick piloting, remote spotlight, nice big spacious cabin down below, full isinglass package, and wait for it, it's also got the wet sound soundbar and upgraded stereo system. If you want to take a look at this boat or any of my other boats, give me a call at 803-760-0609 or come on down here and pay me a visit, MarineMax in Clearwater. Thanks for joining me.